Tonight is a taste of Italy. Tuscan chicken with sun-dried tomato cream sauce, which I have renamed Chicken Tuscana. This is in memory of my maternal grandmother who was born in Pisa, which is in the region of Tuscany in Italy. My grandfather, who is from Milan, Italy, gave my grandmother the nickname Tuscana, so this dish is for her. We'll take boneless, skinless chicken breasts and dip them in eggs, seasoned flour, and saute them in olive oil and make a sauce from onion, garlic, and sun-dried tomatoes with white wine, chicken stock, and heavy cream. This dish is full of flavor and full of color. It's comfort food from Italy. We're making chicken Tuscana in the kitchen tonight. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens from around the world. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining, restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking. Chicken Tuscana, better known as Tuscan chicken with sun-dried tomato cream sauce. This savory Italian recipe is made with boneless, skinless chicken breast, lightly breaded and cooked in extra virgin olive oil, with a sauce made from using sun-dried tomatoes, white wine, and heavy cream. Served with imported penne pasta and a chilled glass of Pino Grigio. Our mise en place for tonight's dish is 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 large egg beaten, 3 tablespoons of flour seasoned with a half a teaspoon each of fresh ground black pepper, salt, oregano, thyme, and paprika, a small yellow onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 8 ounces of sun-dried tomatoes chopped, 1 red bell pepper chopped, a tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 cup of white wine, 1 cup of chicken stock, a 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream, 4 ounces of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and a small bag of baby spinach. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Whisk a large egg in a shallow bowl. In a separate shallow bowl, mix the seasonings into the flour. Add a few tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and a tablespoon of butter to a large pan and turn the heat to medium-low. Dip the chicken breast into the egg and the flour and saute the chicken on medium heat until golden brown, which is about 4 minutes. Flip the chicken over and cook another 4 minutes until golden brown. Place the chicken onto a pan, preferably with a wire rack. This will allow the heat to get all around the chicken without the bottom getting soggy. Then place the chicken into the 325-degree oven and bake for 8 to 10 minutes. To make the sauce, add another tablespoon of olive oil and butter if necessary, then add the chopped onion to the pan and saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Add the garlic and cook it for about another minute. Add in the sun-dried tomatoes, the chopped bell pepper, the tomato paste, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning and paprika, and cook for another 2 minutes. Pour in the cup of white wine and simmer for 2 minutes. Then pour in the chicken stock and simmer for another 5 minutes. Pour in the heavy cream, give it a stir, and reduce the heat to a simmer. Check the taste and add salt and pepper as needed. Remove the chicken from the oven and allow it to rest for a few minutes before slicing. To finish our sauce, add in the Parmesan cheese and the baby spinach and stir for a few minutes until the spinach has reduced in size. You can either add the cooked chicken back into the pan of sauce or you can slice it. If you do decide to slice it first, ensure that your knife is very sharp. We're using our Westhoff Classic 8-inch chef knife to do the trick here. And now it's time to plate our dish. And there it is, Chicken Tuscana, Tuscan chicken with sun-dried tomato cream sauce. Tender and juicy chicken breast served over penne pasta with a tangy sauce made from sun-dried tomatoes and wine from Italy. Ti voglio bene, nonna. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.